S.M.R. of the adductor pollicis muscle. The adductor pollicis runs in a fan shape along the inside of your thumb towards the palm of your hand. It has two heads. It has the transverse head, which runs in that fan shape, and then it also has an oblique head, which becomes problematic when you're experiencing texter's thumb, we'll say. So specifically, we're going to focus on this oblique head that runs along the inside of the base of the first metacarpal in your thumb. It becomes dysfunctional. The trigger point for this muscle is just about 2/3 of the way towards the base of your hand, right in towards your wrist, and directly inside the actual first metacarpal there. So my favorite implement to use is actually a butter knife, the back side of a butter knife. So what I like to do, I like to take the direct point of the end and I kind of dig in along the base of this first metacarpal. Sometimes you have to sort of hook underneath the bone and press in a little bit to massage it out. So I'm just pressing in and running the back side of the blade along my first metacarpal there. Sometimes it takes a little bit of play, but right there. Right where this X is, most of the time, if you have texter's thumb, this is going to be where you're going to find the least comfortable spot or the most uncomfortable spot. So find that point, hold, put pressure, 30 to 60 seconds or until the pain starts to dissipate. And release, wiggle it out, and you have done one pass of S.M.R. for the adductor pollicis muscle.